PAWS is a non-profit animal shelter in Petaling Jaya since 1987. There are a total of 500 dogs and cats under the care of the shelter. PAWS is very secluded and is easily dwarfed by commercial buildings and high-rises. During weekends, PAWS set up voluntary activities, volunteers or activists to help walk the dogs, and hence, a dog trail has been set within the vicinity of the site. Although the trail has been set, some facilities were not provided for the convenience of the volunteers. Our project sets out to solve this issue and promote volunteering events like this. We are proposing resting spots for these volunteers across the street. The trail is located along the main route that leads to Cheetah Mall. The proposed design has sufficient seating for 2 people per unit to encourage volunteers to walk the dogs in groups. Each modular unit has 2 storage compartments, one to store extra plastic bag and another one to store bottled clean water, which can be provided by the community to clean the dog or seats if needed. We are proposing 3 resting spots along the trail to allow an extended trail that engages surrounding community. The resting spots serve as seatings not just for the volunteers but for the community too. It encourages the residents from the condominiums to engage with PAWS. Visible from the surrounding condominiums, we hope to attract the community by providing such facilities that create chances for volunteers and the community to engage one another. At times when there is a dog adoption charity drive, this site could be an extension of the PAWS shelter, which is insufficient for events like this. It also acts as a catalyst to draw more people and potential users to inform them what PAWS is about. The unit is durable as it is made up of treated wood and concrete. During our visit to the site, we have questioned the volunteers at site regarding the issues they face. The trail that lacks on seatings causes volunteers to sit on the route, disrupting the trail for other users. Many volunteers agree that the proposed design will solve their problems and allow more time to be spent there. As for the proposed trail, the volunteers find it acceptable as it is located near the PAWS shelter, and it would be better as it has larger spaces for them to play with the dogs. We hope to turn the abandoned area into a communal park for the surrounding residences. If possible, this proposal could be further expanded by multiplying numbers of these units to create a gathering spot for the community. The location of these benches and the beautification of the trail will be able to rejuvenate the area, thus creating more human activities and contacts. Recreational spaces like this are vital to current situations as most citizens within the city lack an area to carry out leisure activities.